So in continuation to my Monday videos on leadership capabilities, you might have noticed that I made two videos in last 2 Mondays on leadership capabilities. What are those characteristics of leadership? So what are those capabilities which a leader should have to ensure that he becomes a true leader? He is capable of handling a majority of the people. He is capable of handling the processes, the activities, and he is able to deliver on the desired goals, and he is able to deliver what is expected out of him. Today in this video I'm going to talk about the 5C model of being a great leader. So this 5C model was actually shared by Indra Nooyi when she was a PepsiCo CEO. As you might well know, Indra Nooyi was a renowned CEO. She worked with PepsiCo for 12 long years and she has transformed PepsiCo. So she shared this 5C model. So stay tuned with me for next 2 to 3 minutes. I am going to talk about this 5C model, what it is, what are those 5 C's which makes a leader competent and very efficient. So the first C is competency. So as you might know that any leader cannot become a leader till the time he himself is competent. If he doesn't have the required set of skills, the required set of knowledge that he is supposed to have in any campaign or any business or any organization that he is handling, he cannot become a leader, because a leader is someone who guides people, who shows the people the right way. And if he's not skilled, obviously he is incapable of doing that part and doing that job. And the second C is courage and confidence. So as a leader, this is an innumerable part of being a leader. This is one of the fundamental characteristic of being a great leader. If you don't have a courage and confidence, if you don't have an ability to speak out and put across your opinion with great courage, then you don't deserve to be a great leader, because a leader is someone who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. And the third C is communication. See, a leader has to have very much competent when it comes to communicating his message to his audience. In Simon Sinek's word, a leader works like a megaphone. Whatever message that he has to send across to his audience, he is very much capable through his communication. He sends all those messages very clearly. If you do not have the way to communicate, be it non-verbal, verbal, be it oral, be it written, it doesn't really matter. But if you don't have those communication skills as a leader, you are definitely going to face a lot of problems. So you need to develop communication skills which will make you an efficient leader. And the number 4 C is consistency. See, no matter what kind of things that you have, you may have everything that you have committed at the beginning. You may have communication, you may have courage and confidence, and you may have all set of things that are required. But if you are not consistent on your action, if you don't do certain things consistently, because people are watching you in action, it is not that you are just communicating things and not doing things in the background. People are watching you, people are following you, and if you yourself are consistent and committed to what you are supposed to do, then of course people will follow you. Respect for you will grow in your followers and within your space and organization. So consistency is very much important. As you might have heard that without commitment you will never start, but without consistency you will never finish. And the last C of 5C model is compass. So the moral compass is the ability to know what is right, what is wrong. Till the time leader doesn't have the integrity, a leader cannot prevail for much longer period of time. Predominantly, this is one of the very important characteristics of a leader. A leader has to have integrity within him. What are those practices which he himself should follow, and what are those practices that people are supposed to follow? He should have those guidelines in place. He should have those rules and regulations so that he can pass on his value to his people. So compass is extremely important. So I hope you have loved this 5C model. In case if you have any questions and any suggestion, you may want to drop them in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. As you know that every Monday I make videos on leadership capabilities. What are the failures and the problems that a leader may face? What are those strengths and weaknesses that leader has? If you have any suggestions, I would like to welcome that. You may want to drop them in the comment section. So I hope you love this message today. This is your friend Tausif Hasan signing off until we meet again.